For us, sustainability is about building smarter for coastal Carolina. After Hurricane Florence, New Hanover County removed over 1.1 million cubic yards of debris, enough to fill 75,000 dump trucks, the equivalent of 5 years of waste in just a few months. With construction materials making 30% of landfill intake, we knew roofing had to change. After seeing firsthand the destruction of Florence, we decided to become Fortified certified. Today, we install around 200 fortified roofs every year, which reduces storm-related roofing debris by up to 40%. That means fewer torn shingles, fewer emergency repairs, and far less material ending up in landfills. We amplified this impact by transitioning to electric trucks and vehicles, recycling shingles, metal, and packaging on every job, and enforcing strict cleanup standards to protect our waterways. For Patriot Roofing, sustainability isn't an add-on. It's how we protect homes, reduce debris, and preserve the coastal communities we're proud to serve.